Little glider day today. This is the 3-channel Z80 ret that I've been flying. I've been flying this one on 3 and 4S. This little glider has a 50mm EDF fan, ailerons, elevator, Foxeer M10Q GPS in the back, Walksnail Avatar HD V2 kit in the front, and on the inside, wedged in there, I have a Mamba stack. It's a Mamba F722 APP stack. Just running direct current to the VTX and using the built-in Walksnail OSD.
Start freaking out on the road. They're dropping some calls in the road.
Man, you dropped in some calls.
Oh, you're dropping?
Yeah.
Alright, get back control, get back control.
Alright, well, guys, that's what happens sometimes on a Maiden. You'll go down. Yeah. So we just fall. Good, the whole antenna rip off of the VTX. Yeah, nice thing with tall bush is no set of damage. The plane itself ain't gonna get much damage in that tall bush. Well, all that tells me is that I could trust the Velcro. Because if the fucking camera mount bend solid iron, I now straighten it back there. That thing bend solid iron and the Velcro ain't come off, then Velcro alone will work.